This is Steven reporting from the Fantastic Flea Market. I'm at Red 97. This is Guang's Electronics. Guang Electronics carries an amazing assortment of vintage and modern day electronics. They carry turntables, tuners, speakers, amplifiers, integrated amplifiers. I'll show you over here. This is, if you look over here, is a Denon turntable plus controls. There's some speakers as well too. They carry Techniques, JVC, Onkyo, Marantz. They carry Kenwood. They carry NAD. So what I want to do is I'm going to swing over here. I'll be swinging back over here. I'm going to show you a huge assortment of speakers that they actually have. If you take a look at a huge assortment of speakers. And then as I'm swinging over here, I'm going to show you there are huge assortments of electronics such as Pioneer, Sony. They carry Marantz, Techniques, TIAC. So over here, there's a JVC collection, integrated amplifier, tuner, receiver, plus JVC turntables, Sony turntables, Akai turntables, Techniques turntables. And I want to show you a whole assortment of Kenwood turntables, Onkyo turntables, Sony turntables, dual turntables. They're either direct drive or belt drive. Most of them are direct drive. Mega Planner 2, Sound Studio Dynamics, Quest. Okay. And as I'm swinging over here, I'm going to show you a nice collection of electronics. So you have Thorns turntables, which are really expensive. You have an Ampec Reebok reel-to-reel from dating back to between the 70s. It has solenoid drives, left-right inputs, dials. It takes normal tape. I want to show you also a Carver integrated amplifier, a Yamaha stereo amplifier, a Harman Kardon integrated amplifier. They usually Class A or Class B. As they swing up over here, I'm going to show you an Akai old tape deck. Akai receiver, Yamaha receiver, Hitachi receiver, Sony receiver. They're the old ones here. You have OHM speakers, which are very good speakers. And then as I'm putting over here, I'm going to pen over here and start with another set, which is a Luxman turntable, track and belt drive, Luxman tape deck, a Luxman compact disc player. There's a Luxman stereo receiver with KOS speakers. The speaker sets are KOS, Bose, JBL, Techniques, Infinity Research. Some of the bookshelf speakers, large speakers. So I'm walking over here and I want to show you a Denon direct drive turntable, Marantz cassette deck, Marantz receiver, Marantz compact disc player. We have Mission speakers. This one here we have a dual, probably a belt drive turntable. Techniques new class amplifier. They're very hard to get. Non-switching, so there's no distortion when you switch from when you increase the power. There's a Techniques compact disc player, Infinity speakers. These are all the amplifiers over here. Really nice set of amplifiers. Carver, Sony. There's also tube amplifiers. There's Sound Craftsman, QSC. These are speakers. These are mostly home theater speakers, which goes from Techniques, Energy, Paradigm, which is really good. Paradigm is very well known. Paradigm speakers. There's Nuance, and so there's other sets here too. There are, I believe it's Sansui, and very hard to see Sansui synthesizers, integrated amplifiers, graphic equalizers, tape decks. So he has an assortment of some of the most well-known systems. I like NAD. This is an NAD system. You have a preamp, dual cassette plate tape deck, and you also have a preamp and a compact disc player. So he has a huge assortment of stereo equipment that it's hard to find. High quality. He checks every one of them. He's been here for 18 years. So if you want to get high quality stereo equipment from Techniques, Sony, JVD, Marantz, Carver, Sansui, Akai, Denon, JVC, Pioneer, this is the place to go. Red 97 Quantum Electronics, and you won't be beat. Last thing I want to show you here is he does have some portable electronics like speakers, Discman, Walkmans. So you should come check it out, and you won't be disappointed. Thanks for your time. Goodbye.